Nike did a really great job kicking off this year as they continually revived the hype of the Nike Dunk since last year. This year, they're not yet done, and just like many people says, this is gonna be the year of the Dunk. So for today's video, we're gonna do a sneaker review for this Nike Dunk Low in the ceramic colorway. My name is Karl Lisondra, and this is all about sneakers. We already hit 500 subscribers in this YouTube channel, so maraming salamat. Thank you so much for those who are subscribed, for those who are supporting since I started this content or this YouTube channel. Thank you so much, everyone. And if you're not yet subscribed, please, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel. This is where we create a lot of sneaker reviews in this channel. And then if you can give this video a like, share it to your friends, comment down below for any sneaker suggestion that you want to feature in this channel, and ring the bell for you to be notified if we're gonna have new uploads for sneaker reviews. So this is the Nike Dunk Low in ceramic colorway. So this has been released last November 19 of 2020. So last year this has been released. And then here in the Philippines, actually, this one was released in 3 different stores. Number 1 is Nike Online, or the sneaker site that we have here. And then this has been released as well in Titan, where they have this first come first serve mechanics if you were able to get to their flagship store. They also released this one in Commonwealth, which they have this first come first serve basis. It's more of a shock drop when they kinda release that or this kind of sneaker along with the veneer colorway. So that is how this was released here in the Philippines. This is actually part of the Ugly Duckling pack that was released back in 2001, which is just a Japanese exclusive or Japan exclusive. So this actually makes the sneaker one of a hard to find silhouette or colorway of the Nike Dunks, the ceramic, the veneer, and then the plum colorway. So this actually completes the pack, which is the plum, if I'm not mistaken. It was released like earlier 2020, and then in mid 2020 they released the veneer colorway, and then they also released this one, which completes the pack of the Ugly Duckling Nike Dunks colorway. So this is a really nice colorway. For me, if you're gonna ask me, this is what I like compared to the other two, the veneer and then the plum. But most people actually loves the plum over this two colorway, the ceramic and then the veneer colorway. So yeah, that's actually when it comes to the background of this sneaker. So when it comes to the material, the official colorway of this sneaker is black, ceramic, and nori. So this one, if you can see in the lateral side, you can see more of the dominant orange or ceramic colorway here, from the toe up to the side, even to the eyelets, and then even at the back of the sneaker. You're gonna see in the outsole, same ceramic or orange colorway right here, and then you're gonna have that nori colored or more of a green or olive green color here in the swoosh, and even at the back where you can see that Nike logo right there. In the tongue, this contains like a black mesh material or a typical Nike Dunk tongue with the Nike logo right there, and then this nori colored laces that you have. So I think this is a really nice color combination which really pops if you wear it, for example, with a plain shirt and even pants. So this one will definitely pop if you kind of have that kind of outfit. So this is a really good one. And then it actually reminds me of more of a pumpkin colorway. So if you cannot remember this one to be a ceramic colorway, you can just say, I want the pumpkin shoes, or I want the pumpkin dunk. So that reminds me of it. So yeah, that's gonna be actually it for the materials of this sneaker. This sneaker doesn't have any special technology that was used in the outsole or even the sole itself of the sneaker. So you cannot compare this one to an Ultra Boost level kind of comfort, you know. So this one is just typically just a basic sneaker or a casual sneaker that you can use. Still comfortable compared to the Jordan 1s. So Jordan 1s, even the low cuts, I can say that these sneakers are like toe killers. But this one, no, this is one comfortable sneaker in my opinion. And then this is something that I can rock, for example, for a whole day of walking. So the fit is just true to size. So I'm a size 8. This is a size 8 as well, so it comes very good, or it fits really good in my feet. If you're wide footed, I must say that this is you may consider half size up going for this kind of silhouette or this kind of sneaker. So ceramic dunks, same with the other Nike dunks. When it comes to the price point of this sneaker, this is selling for around $100 or 100 USD. Here in the Philippines, it's selling for 5,095 pesos. Now, when it comes to the resale, this one is selling for 13,000 pesos to 15,000 pesos depending on the size. In USD, that is around 280 or let's say 260 until 300 to 300 US dollars. That is current resale value of this sneaker. However, if you're gonna ask me if this is something that will go up in value, for sure, this might go up in value for probably a year or two. But when it comes to the dunk craze that is happening right now, where Nike continually release like a lot of Nike Dunks colorway, it's kind of hard to predict if this is something that will already go up within 6 months. So maybe we'll give this sneaker like a year or two. It might go up in value, but I don't think this is something that will skyrocket when it comes to the resale price. So that's gonna be for the value or the resale price of this sneaker. Of course, as usual, this is what a lot of people really loves in this reviews that we're doing. So I have prepared an on-fit shot for this Nike Dunk ceramic. Let's roll the video. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you like this video. I hope that you learn a lot, and I hope that you kinda have this background now or this understanding when it comes to this sneaker. So if you're gonna ask me or if I will rate this sneaker 1 out of 10, I will probably give this sneaker like 8 out of 10. Well, just because this is cheaper than the other sneakers that is hype nowadays, and then the comfort is really good. It's just that there's no special technology used within this sneaker, but still fine with me. The colorway is dope, and then even the material used, the suede material that was used in this sneaker, I kind of like that. So 8 out of 10 for me. How about you guys? Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this sneaker. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Or is this something that you're planning to flip? So let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And then as usual, please, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed. Give this video a like, share it to your friends, and comment down below any sneaker suggestion that you want to see in this channel. So once again, my name is Karl Lisondra, and this is all about sneakers.